Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are getting caught up in my memory planner. So I've done a little bit of the legwork. I've printed out the photos. I've rounded the corners because I feel like I want that look. I printed them two 4x6s of 6 pictures a piece. So there is quite a lot, so I might not use all of these. I've picked out Choose Joy because it's pinky colors. And then I did an order through, what is her name? Love Posh, during Black Friday sale. And I realized I haven't used them yet. So remember I had bought Muted Blooms. This one's Posh Summer. And then I also had purchased Blooming Blossoms. And so this one is just a complete clear sticker book of flowers. And I'm in love with it. And I haven't used it yet. So I've kind of come to this page, and I think everything has 2 pages. So with all of these Monstera and Alocasia leaves, I'm loving them. I've become quite the plant mom. And so I pulled out these 2 pink papers. I feel like the tie-dye one might go better if I need it. Very well with it. So that is the game plan so far. The other ones are great too. The only thing I would say, just kind of going back to these, is that these, not that I have anything wrong with paper stickers, but these are all paper stickers, which just means that they have, you know, when you use them, they have a border, no matter what you do with them, which is neither here nor there. It's just sometimes too, when it comes to the colored ones, watch, I'll show you, like when they're black and stuff. Yeah, not that it's hard, I just don't know. It's harder to work with, in my opinion. So I just didn't realize that when they on the description. And I think this one is combination. It has, this is clear, yeah. I think it's clear except when it comes to the box sticker. So this one comes with like 2 sheets of like flowers and then the matching coordinating square sticker. So then it would be flowers with this purple and pinky color. And I'm sure then the color boxes will be purple and pinky too to go with it. So it's awesome. Just got to use them more. So we're going to try using these. And like I said, I pulled this and then this to kind of go with it. And we'll see if I need any other stickers. You know, and I'm actually thinking if I even need the pattern paper, because these 2 look like complete end pieces. So I feel like I'm going to like bookmark it here and then probably scatter around the photos with some of the other leaves. Could be kind of cute. So I'm just wondering. So let's just start doing this. And I'll put you on. Okay, so I know I gave you a little glimpse as to the sticker collections I have been using. So these have been from Love Posh, and she has her own sticker shop if you haven't heard of her, and she offers different ones. They do come like in a seasonal aspect because once they run out, they're kind of discontinued. So these are just ones that I had picked up and I haven't used them yet. So they are just really pretty. I can't wait to use them more. So some of the memories that I am documenting here are kind of going through my house and filtering out the clutter. We've lived in our house for 6 years and we're starting our house hunt for our next one. So you'll see like pictures of like organization and how things look now. My plant obsession right now, like I literally buy a plant a week, probably more though. Taking Valentina to dance classes in the week, and then also like books that I'm reading. So I find that these are good highlights of the week. And also there was a birthday party that she attended that was super cute because it was like her first mani-pedi and everything else. So these are just simple things that I like to keep memories of. This can be a very simple approach for families to do, new moms, or even if you have multiple kids, because it just documents what happened in life. And for me, that's important. Okay, that will wrap up this one. This one came out so cute and so fast. All I did was stick with the sticker sheets. So I have plenty of these little Monstera leaves to use on something else. But I'm just wondering if I might like put one here or something, depending on how the journaling goes. Maybe here. I don't really need it, let's be honest. So I just did this one with stickers, and then I found that little nice cute home right there because the colors match perfectly. I didn't even use a scrapbook paper. And if you saw me, I left it in here. I usually take out the pages. So it is picture heavy, but it's also color heavy. So I think it worked out good having them all in the center there. That way it didn't compete with everything that was here. And so I'll do journaling all in here and call that completed. And now I did send out for my pens to print, so technically right now it's Valentine's Day, so hopefully I get this up quick. So I'm caught up right now, so that's really good. So if you have enjoyed your time here with me, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, my subbies, ta-ta!